There are three important things you need to know about a private mortgage loan. The first is, how much can I borrow? Well, the banks are lending up to 80% loan to value today. However, if you're looking for a private mortgage loan, you can go up to 90% loan to value. Let's give you a quick example here. So say you have a home that's worth $500,000 today and you owe a bank mortgage against it of $400,000. What can you borrow? You can borrow up to $50,000 against that property in a private mortgage loan, which brings us up to that 90% loan to value. The second thing is income and credit. So despite what you've been taught, this is not of primary consideration or primary importance to a lender. It's actually secondary. But what if I have really terrible credit? Well, say you have a credit score of 500 or below. Unfortunately, you're pretty much guaranteed to need to borrow private mortgage funds. Now, on the other side of the coin, say you have great income and great credit. However, your loan to value is above that 80% mark. You're still actually going to need to borrow private mortgage loans. The third thing to talk about are risks. So say you have income tax arrears, a bankruptcy, consumer proposal, or you are in a divorce. What do you do? Are you going to be able to qualify? Thankfully, the answer is yes here. However, typically, you're going to need to have an increased interest rate because of that additional risk that the lender perceives. So for example, you have income tax arrears today, and you've got two different lenders looking at you. You've got lender A and lender B. Lender A has a look at your file. They see those income tax arrears. They see the additional risk, and they say, you know what, we're not going to lend, we're out. Lender B comes along, has the same look at the same file, and decides, yes, we're going to lend to these folks. We might increase that interest rate a little bit to offset that risk, but we're going to fund the mortgage. My name is Michael Smeal. I have been funding private mortgage loans for over 10 years without a single loan failing. You can access my Common Sense Lender Network by finding me at mortgagetruth.ca, where you can see the contact information on the screen.